A campaign's begun to encourage more young people from the South Asian community to donate blood. The National Blood Service estimates it needs 7,000 donations a day to meet demand. And some rare blood groups are found more commonly in the Southeast Asian communities than in the rest of the UK population. With this report, here's Liz Copper.
At this mosque in Birmingham, many donors are giving blood for the first time. They've come forward following a leafleting campaign and announcements at prayer times.
Due to sort of rare blood types that we may have in our communities, it's just about saving lives across the board wherever possible.
I've never done it before, but as a group, you know, your friends are doing it, so it just gives you that motivation.
When my son was born, my wife had to have a C-section, and she lost a lot of blood in that, and she was given blood, and for that reason I thought it was very important to give blood today.
For patients with rare blood groups, these donations are vital.
During the August month, they are very short, and they're trying to get not just the South Asian community, but everybody out to try and give blood, to try and keep their blood levels, blood stocks up.
Atika Ashraf was diagnosed with leukemia earlier this year. She's responding well to treatment. Her recovery's been dependent on donors.
It made the world of difference to me. I'm so grateful to every single person who sort of put themselves through that discomfort to give blood, because for my treatment it made the world of difference.
It's hoped this mosque will host regular donation sessions. More volunteers are still needed to ensure supplies are maintained and lives are saved. Liz Copper, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.